The battle for the best 360 camera is heating up. DJI has officially entered the market with the new Osmo 360, while Insta360 is preparing to launch its next flagship, the Insta360 X6. Although the X6 hasn't been officially announced yet, multiple reliable leaks have revealed its design, recording capabilities, and expected pricing. So, which camera looks like the better buy? Let's compare the specs, features, price, and overall value. Starting with video quality, both cameras are expected to offer impressive 8K 360-degree recording. DJI Osmo 360 officially supports native 8K recording and uses dual 1/1.1-inch square CMOS sensors, designed to capture more light while delivering excellent low-light performance. It also supports 4K at up to 120 frames per second for slow-motion action footage, 120 megapixels 360 photos, and 10-bit D-Log-M color for professional color grading. The leaked Insta360 X6 is expected to match DJI with dual 1/1.1-inch sensors and upgraded 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second, a noticeable improvement over the previous generation. Leaks also suggest improved AI processing, faster performance, a larger battery, and a more compact body despite the upgraded hardware. When it comes to design, DJI has taken a different approach with a premium metal body, magnetic quick-release mounting system, and seamless integration with its growing Osmo accessory ecosystem. The Osmo 360 is built for creators who already use DJI products, like DJI mic transmitters and Osmo action accessories. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X6 appears to focus on portability. Leaked marketing images show a slightly shorter and slimmer body with redesigned buttons, a refreshed interface, and an improved cooling system. If the leaks are accurate, the X6 should feel more comfortable for everyday travel and extended handheld shooting. Price could become one of the biggest deciding factors. DJI launched the Osmo 360 at around €479.99, making it one of the most competitively priced premium 360 cameras available. In contrast, leaked retailer listings suggest the Insta360 X6 may launch at approximately €689, making it significantly more expensive. Pros and cons. DJI Osmo 360. Pros. Officially available today. Excellent low-light performance. Native 8K recording. 4K 120 frames per second slow motion. 120 megapixel photos. Lower launch price. DJI ecosystem compatibility. Cons. New platform with a younger software ecosystem. Fewer editing features compared to Insta360's mature app. Insta360 X6. Pros. 8K 50 frames per second recording. Compact redesigned body. Improved battery life. Excellent AI editing tools. Proven Insta360 mobile app ecosystem. Cons. Higher expected launch price. Still unannounced, so final specifications may change. Real-world performance remains unknown. Who wins? If you're buying a 360 camera today, the DJI Osmo 360 is the clear winner. It delivers flagship image quality, excellent stabilization, professional color options, and outstanding value at a lower price. However, if the leaked specifications prove accurate, the Insta360 X6 could become the most powerful consumer 360 camera yet. The combination of smoother 8K 50 frames per second recording, improved battery life, compact design, and Insta360's industry-leading software could make it the new king of 360 cameras. For now, DJI wins on value and availability, while the Insta360 X6 looks poised to challenge for the performance crown once it officially launches.